Standard 10, Subject History and Political Science, Chapter 5, Mass Media and History. Dear children, today we will see why do we need mass media. We need mass media to facilitate free flow of information to all strata of the society. Readers are also ensured of a platform to voice their opinions. Newspapers can help in making the democracy stronger. Television is an audiovisual medium. It was possible for this medium to cross the inherent limitation of newspapers and radio and show the actual visual of the event of people. So far, there is no other alternatives to television for watching an event as it actually happened. Critically understanding of the information received through mass media. Any information received through mass media needs to be reviewed critically. The news or information in the media may not always represent exact truth. We need to scan it very carefully. There is a very famous event of unauthentic information appearing in print in Germany. Stern, a German weekly magazine, had purchased a number of so-called handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler. It sold them to various publication companies. The diaries were verified for their authenticity and subsequently the news appeared in the print. However, later those diaries were proved to be forged. It becomes apparent from this example that we need to be very careful about the information published by the media. Mass media and professional opportunities. Newspapers have to fulfill the task of providing fresh news to its readers. It is also necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news. At such times, newspapers have to resort to history. While reporting news in details, reporters try to compare it with parallel events which happened in the past. The past event may be printed in a separate frame. Thus, the reader gets access to additional information and he can get better insights about the current news. Newspapers print columns about historical information appearing under headings such as 50 years ago or 100 years ago, etc. Such columns are based on historical documents or written history. These columns provide historical information about economic, social, political events in the past and also events in historical significance. History is also essential in planning radio programs. For example, Akashvani has preserved recordings of all the speeches delivered each year by the Prime Minister of India on 15th August. Akashvani invites historians as experts for discussion on various occasions such as the anniversaries of birth or death of national leaders, anniversaries of historical events, etc. Programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of the daily programs of Akashvani. Television channels also telecast programs based on history. Doordarshan and other television channels help in creating interest in history among people through their historical shows and serials. Channels like Discovery, National Geographic, etc. have opened a rich treasure of global history for the audience. It has enabled people to view the historical and geographic wonders at home. People with deep knowledge of history in the respective field are sought out to all the fields mentioned above. Thank you.